Alright, this is 35732 Ithaca Drive in Avon. They are wanting a quote for some bare patches in their yard. We've got some along the driveway here, probably from like some salt damage and running it over here as well. It's pretty much all through their yard. So we'll just bring in a couple yards of topsoil to get these areas repaired. You can kind of see the pockets here in the front yard. A lot of them have leaves in it, so we'll make sure these are clear of debris. Got some through here, and this area here, if we could just top dress this whole area, because it's just holding water a lot. I need assistance. Thank you.
Kind of lift it up to.
Thank you. Backyard's not bad. We just got some major drainage issues, but we do have some areas over here that would need top dressed. Probably just from, this is all just standing water. So if we could just top dress this whole area around the tree as well, all through here. See if we can't grade some of that water away. Oh God, I'm an idiot. There we go. We've got a section here. Got this. The rest of it doesn't look bad. And that's it. So probably like maybe a yard of topsoil, and we'll just touch up these patches, and that's it.